channel. On today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of my curlBOX. This is for the month of April. curlBOX is a curly hair subscription that is targeted towards people with curly hair. So this one was outside of the box, and it's African Pride, Moisture Miracle, and this is a detangle and condition pre-shampoo. There's that. So they come with a little postcard, and it talks about the products that I have received. And we got a lot of full-size items. Woo! Okay, so here we have a soft bonnet dryer attachment. And you know what the crazy thing is? I've been wanting to try one of these things, and I'm excited that I got one. So, and it tells you to use with a mask. And did that come? Yep, a mask. So there's that. So we have a heat activated mask. So there's that. We have a leave-in cream. We have the conditioner. So the one outside was the shampoo. So here's the conditioner. It looks almost watery like. I don't know. And then we have 5 essential oils with vitamin E for your hair. So these are all the products I got for the month of April, and this is for my curlBOX. I did mention on my curl kit, if you guys wanted to see a tutorial with the products, to give it a thumbs up. Same thing with this one. If you want to see a hair tutorial, me using these products, I will gladly do that for you. Just give the video a thumbs up, and I can do that for you. And then I can honestly give you my opinion on which products I like more, the curlBOX or the curl kit, and see which one worked best for my curly hair. So yeah, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.